Are you having difficulty sleeping? Are you experiencing restless nights of tossing and turning around the bed staring at the ceiling? Are you unable to get more than a couple hours of sleep? Then this video is for you. I will share with you a very simple and effective remedy to get rid of that insomnia permanently and regain your sleep back. But before we go ahead with this video, please support this channel by clicking on the subscription button and also share this video with friends and family. It might be useful to them. You can also turn on the notification bell, so you can get notified anytime we post new video. Let's get on with the video. A good night's sleep is very essential for a healthy body and mind. Our body repairs and refreshes itself as we sleep. A lot of people, however, are having trouble falling or staying asleep. This condition is known as insomnia, a common sleep disorder that affects almost 30% of the population. At some point in our life, we may experience insomnia due to some certain factors like stress, old age, emotional distress, alcohol, medication, caffeine, mental health problems, pregnancy, menopause, and so on. Insomnia can affect your energy level and mood. You may wake up a couple of times at night. You may wake up too early and not able to get back to sleep. You may feel tired when you wake up. It can cause lack of concentration, fatigue, daytime tiredness or sleepiness. It can also affect your health, work performance and quality of life. Instead of taking those sleeping pills every day, do this instead. Get 1 organic banana, 1 small pot of water. Wash the banana with clean water. Cut off the ends of the banana. Do not remove the back. Place the pot of water on the stove to boil. Slice the banana into boiling water. Boil it for around 10 minutes. Pour the water into a cup or mug. You can sprinkle cinnamon into the tea if you like, or you can drink it like that. It is optional. Drink it 1 hour before bedtime. This banana sleep remedy works wonders and tastes so good. Bananas, especially the peels, are loaded with potassium and magnesium. Magnesium is one of the best mineral for relaxation. Magnesium can help prevent sleep disturbances. Both magnesium and potassium work together to help relax muscles. That is all for this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please leave a like and share it with friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.